Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest gadgets and gear for your home, car, and outdoor projects. Today, we're taking a close look at the Crivon 12 volts 150A power distribution block. A marine-grade bus bar terminal block designed for automotive, RV, solar, and boat wiring systems. At first glance, this unit is built for heavy-duty performance. It supports continuous current up to 150 amps and DC voltage up to 48 volts. The bus bars themselves are crafted from thick 3 mm tinned copper, paired with sturdy 1/4 inch M6 studs. This ensures reliable conductivity whether you're connecting batteries, car systems, RV wiring, or solar panels. With 12 contact points, this bus bar allows you to manage both power and ground connections efficiently, making it ideal for high-current setups. The materials used in construction speak to safety and durability. The high-strength nylon base provides excellent flame resistance and insulation. Stainless steel screws and anti-oxidation ring terminals contribute to long-lasting electrical stability, even in harsh marine or automotive environments. This is a product designed not just for performance but for resilience under heat, corrosion, and impact. One of the highlights of the Crivon bus bar is its versatility. Whether you're wiring up an audio system, grounding solar panels, or setting up a trailer, this block accommodates a wide range of applications. Its design ensures that wires and connectors stay secure. And the waterproof and corrosion-resistant features make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The included protective covers for the positive and negative terminals further enhance safety, preventing accidental shorts or contact. Installation is straightforward. The smart inverted buckle design locks the silicone cover in place, ensuring it won't fall off during vibration or motion. Clear labeling for positive and negative terminals makes wiring quick and intuitive. The kit comes complete with 2 copper lugs, 24 ring terminals, and 4 screws, providing everything needed for a clean, professional installation. It's important to note that this bus bar is intended for DC systems only. Connecting it correctly, red to positive and black to negative, is critical to avoid any risk of short circuits. Once installed, it offers a reliable solution for managing multiple connections in automotive, marine, or solar setups. In terms of size, it's compact yet robust, with enough spacing between terminals to make wiring easy without overcrowding. The combination of heavy-duty materials, thoughtful design, and ease of installation makes it an attractive option for DIY enthusiasts as well as professionals. Overall, the Crivon 12 volts 150A power distribution block offers a strong, reliable, and safe solution for managing power distribution in a variety of high-current DC applications. It's durable, easy to install, and versatile enough for marine, automotive, or solar projects, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their electrical wiring setup. If you're looking for a dependable bus bar that combines quality materials, smart design, and functionality, the Crivon 12 volts 150A power distribution block is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews.